everybody. I do have my Christmas shirt on underneath, but it's a little cold this morning. Heading over to Magic Kingdom, and I got a special event ticket for tonight. The park basically closes at 6 p.m. to the public, and the special ticketed event is 7 p.m. to midnight with extra special Christmas themes, parades, light shows, snacks, treats, foods, characters, and rides. So, to get there, we actually gotta take a boat. I don't even want to miss it because I have missed it so many years in a row. Splash Mountain here in the morning has a 5-minute standby, so I'm going to get rid of my fast pass. I'm going to head in there first thing. Fun. Glad I got that out of the way. Let's try the Haunted Mansion now.
There's always my way.
All in the spirits, wherever they're at.
I do. I did. In sickness and in... well...
Great moments in history. La 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 la.
So here we are in Fantasyland. Got about an hour till lunch. How about a snack, a fresh waffle with fresh fruit and Nutella from Sleepy Hollow. They do have a show going on there in front, but here's the castle with Christmas lights. That'll look good tonight. I did not get all of the fast passes I wanted to, but I did get a couple that are popular rides. I didn't get Seven Dwarfs. Did get one for Peter Pan's Flight, so go check that out.
Now I've got you, Peter Pan. Help me! I'm coming, Captain.
Made a lunch reservation at the Liberty Tree Tavern in here, so we'll go inside. Good old Sam Adams and hot roast, turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, green beans, mac and cheese, and gravy. Oh yeah! Time for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. fun ride. Might try to catch it tonight when it's dark. I don't know if I've ever been on this ride when it's dark. Might try that later.
You already, like, the ribbon's coming, you're like, you can't go.
Henry, what's holding you up? Let's get on with the show.
Now, both be patient.
Yeah, we ain't going anywhere anyhow. We're kind of hung up here.
Welcome to the one and only original country band jamboree. The bands will play now in the good old key of G. Zeke and Sam and Ted, a friend of ours named Tennessee.
Bright lights at taverns, that's where you'll spend your time. Every time I meet a guy who gets me shook, all I ever get from him's a dirty look.
Well, there he goes, he hardly knows the heart he's breaking.
Sing it, gal.
Get your apples going before it's too late. The bear's gonna live big and head to the gate.
Tomorrowland.
And beyond.
Whoa. We're looking for the evil emperor's urn.
All parties stand by. Come on. Space.
Wow, that's cool.
Space Rangers, prepare to face the full power of my secret weapon. Still bastard. I'll be back.
To infinity and beyond.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers.
Thank you.
Check the status board.
You space scum. So Magic Kingdom is not like Epcot. You can't just drink alcohol everywhere, but I did get some good sugar. Ooh, yeah. Okay, now that I'm all sugared up, feeling good. Some of these rides, in case you're wondering, I want to save till after dark, like Speedway. I can't think of other ones. Oh, Jungle Cruise at night, because it's supposed to be all Christmas themed. Now, Space Mountain is next. Obviously, that's a black roller coaster, so I'm not taking you guys with me unless you just want to see this and some Christmas music that I'll get copyright flagged for, so no. And lastly is lines for Christmas I just want to talk about. They're longer than normal. It doesn't seem like the crowds are as bad, but the lines are all longer than normal around here. It's still a 2.5 hour wait for the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, so I probably won't even get to that one today. But yeah. Looking forward to seeing how the crowds thin tonight for the Christmas party and the parade and everything. Here's where we get our Christmas wristbands for the party night, so we'll wait in line.
Here we go.
Awesome, thank you. And time for an adventure. On to Adventureland. Dole Whip time.
5:30. Enjoy.
Thank you. I probably had too much ice cream and sugar today, but oh well. That's good. You want some? Bottle of rum. Definitely ready now. Got the lights on. My hat lights up. Feeling very festive. Not Not exactly sure if any of that ride will show up, but it was a lot of fun. It is time for dinner, the very Merry Christmas Party dinner at Be Our Guest restaurant tonight. Got my food and beer order in. Let's go check out the Beast's Lair first. Wow, that's cool. Over in the window over there. Wow. Oh, look at the rose. That's awesome. I love it. And let's check out the Rose Gallery. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Well, there we go. We got goat cheese over here. Chorizo is Spanish-style sausage. Some tome cheese, French cow's milk. Serrano ham here. Chicken liver, Stilton blue cheese there. And some other sauces and a meat, I'm not sure. There we go. Filet mignon and mashed potatoes. That looks good. Good. Ooh, look at that. That makes it all worth it. It's the Beast. It's the Beast. Beast. Scrumptious. I'm stuffed, but still got to make a dessert order. I was wondering if you had the gray stuff. I heard it's delicious. Got a little bit of everything here. Some pink stuff, the chocolate ball, and the gray stuff. That's right. You can order it here. Honestly, although I had a bad experience lunch last time I was here, they totally redeemed themselves for dinner. It was awesome. Best Disney meal yet. All right, and so check this out. For Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, anytime you see a red candy cane, there's going to be candy available. So you just keep your eyes peeled for these candy cane inflatables all over the park and you get free candy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
Okay, well, it's not always candy. It could be candy, could be cookie, gingerbread, brownie, coffee, cider, juice, anything, but it's all included with your ticket. Woohoo! There we go, another one. I think they want us all sugared up for the whole night. Can I get hot chocolate? Thank you. Not Jungle Cruise, but Jingle Cruise. Take that already.
Welcome aboard the world-famous Jingle Cruise, everybody. My name is Marcus, Skipper Marcus, and for the next 6 months, not only will I be your skipper, but I'll be your tour guide, your boat driver, your interpretive dance instructor, your tree hanger-upper guy, and your light decorator, and even your diving coach if you don't laugh at my jokes. Hey, you be careful with that rifle, you'll shoot your eye out! That's that right there, that is the famous Jingle Cruise band. About 3 or 4 days ago, they left camp in search of a drummer for their band. Looks like they may have found a horn instead. The backside of water! Wow, you hear my voice right there?
All right, done for rides for the night. Some more Christmas stuff, and that is the Christmas fireworks, the Christmas parade, and then the last Christmas show at the castle. guys, that was awesome. Merry Christmas. Goodbye, Magic Kingdom. On to Hollywood Studios in my next video. Good night, guys.